Let's start from double decomposition reaction. In double decomposition reaction, two reactants mix with each other and they will form two products. As A carries positive charge, B negative, C positive ions, D negative ions, then A will combine with uh, positive ions of first reactant will combine with the negative ions of second reactant. They will form AD. Likewise, negative ions of first reactant will combine with positive ions of second reactant and they will form CB. So this is double decomposition reaction and it can be of two types. First is precipitation, second one is neutralization. In precipitation, two reactants in aqueous state, they react with each other and form insoluble salt, means precipitates are formed. So this is known as precipitation reaction. C example is given: barium chloride in aqueous state, sodium sulfate in aqueous state. Barium carry positive charge and chlorine negative. Here sodium positive and sulfate ions negative. So barium will combine with sulfate, it will form white precipitates of barium sulfate solution as well as sodium chloride. Second example, copper sulfate and hydrogen sulfide. One is aqueous state and hydrogen sulfide is in gaseous state. Then copper carry positive charge, sulfate negative, hydrogen positive and sulfur negative. So positive ions of first reactant will combine with the negative. It will form copper sulfide, which is black precipitates, and sulfuric acid. In precipitation, it is formation of solid insoluble product either when two solutions are mixed or when gas is bubbled in a solution, means effervescence will be there. Let's do more examples. Experiments are given. First one is silver nitrate combined with hydrogen chloride. Then silver carrying positive charge, nitrate negative, hydrogen positive and chlorine negative. So positive ions of silver will combine with negative ion of chlorine. Silver chloride will form and it will be of white curdy. Precipitates will be white curdy and nitric acid. If we are taking silver nitrate with sodium chloride, then again silver chloride precipitates, white precipitates will be there and sodium nitrate will be formed. And next example is taken of barium chloride with sulfuric acid. Barium positive, chlorine negative, hydrogen positive, sulfate negative ions. So barium will combine with sulfate, barium sulfate, white precipitates there, they will be thick white, and hydrogen chloride. Then note is given, double decomposition reactions may also occur with evolution of gas. Example is given. Here two metal sulfides are taken, zinc sulfide as well as iron sulfide. They are mixing with, first of all, iron sulfide with sulfuric acid. Iron sulfate will form and evolution of hydrogen sulfide gas. Then zinc sulfide mixes with hydrochloric acid and zinc chloride will be formed as well as hydrogen sulfide gas will be evolved out. Now second type is of neutralization. It is a reaction where acid and base form salt and water. Okay, so first acid we have taken hydrogen chloride, hydrochloric acid, and base is sodium hydroxide. So in base oftenly OH negative hydroxyl ions are there, while in acid hydronium ions are there, H positive. So sodium will combine with the chlorine, sodium chloride salt will be there or common salt, as well as water will form. As with ionic form it is shown there, sodium positive ions, hydroxyl negative ion, hydronium positive, chlorine negative. Then positive will combine with negative sodium chloride and this positive will combine with this negative, water molecules will be there. Cancelling the common ion sodium and chlorine, the only charge is the combination of hydronium ion and hydroxyl ion to form an unionized water, H2O. Now next, in neutralization, soluble base can act with the acid as well as insoluble base. So first example of soluble bases, potassium hydroxide mixes with the nitric acid, it will form potassium nitrate and water. Then sodium hydroxide mixes with sulfuric acid, it will form sodium sulfate and 2 molecules of water. And last one is ammonium hydroxide mixes with hydrogen chloride, hydrochloric acid, and it will change into ammonium chloride plus water. So all are forming salt and water. In next example, insoluble bases with acid. So first insoluble base is lead oxide reacts with nitric acid, forms lead nitrate and water. In next, copper oxide reacts with sulfuric acid and it is forming copper sulfate and water. Lead hydroxide reacts with nitric acid, lead nitrate plus water, and again last one is copper hydroxide base and reacts with sulfuric acid. It will change into copper sulfate and water.